Hello my great friends, welcome to my video. And for today's tutorial video I want to show you how to install iOS or iPhone emojis on your Android phone. These are the emojis I'm talking about. You find some of you like using these types of emojis when conversing with your friends, your relatives, your loved ones. You like using these emojis to pass some of the information on your conversation, and that is where you meet different phones have got different emojis. And that is now, if you would like to install iPhone emojis on your Android phone, be keen, listen unto my tutorial, and you will be able to install these emojis on your Android phone. So we go to the main tutorial. I just give thanks to my subscribers and to my new members. When you look at my analytics, I found that a large percentage of those who are watching to my tutorial, they are the members who are not subscribed. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you are liking my content, and for those who are engaging themselves by leaving a comment to my previous videos, thank you. If you would like to be shown or to be displayed on my video, please leave a comment. As you can see, some of my members, some of my subscribers, they have engaged themselves on my previous tutorial. As you can see, there are many. If you are not seeing your name, leave a comment and I will display your name on the next tutorial. Now, to install iOS or iPhone emojis on your Android phone, you just need to install this app, which is known as Z Font. It is known as Z Font 3. The name is this one. You just install the app on your phone. You tap on it, then you tap to install. Tap to install. As you can see, I'm installing the app on my Android phone. This is the name of the app. You just wait for it to be installed on your phone. Finally, after installing the app, I'll show you how to do it, how to install the emojis, the iPhone emojis to your Android phone. Now, after installing the app, you just tap on open. Tap to open the app. Then you have to grant the permission. You tap on grant the permission. Then if you are new, it is the first time to install this app, you need also to allow the app to access photos, media, files on your device. So then tap on agree. Then these are the This is the dashboard. These are the emojis I'm talking about. So you can tap on see all to get all the emojis that I'm talking about. Now on this part, you just scroll to choose iOS 12. This is the emojis which is compatible with all the Android phones. Choose this one. So you just choose iOS 12. It is compatible with all Android phones. You tap on it, then you tap on apply. This one, you have to tap on apply. Then you choose your Android version. You can tap on auto recommend. The app will choose to automatically recommend your Android version. So you can tap on auto recommend. Then you wait for it to prepare. As you can see, it is preparing. It is building the IPK. You can see. After concluding, you get something like this. Now, since it has downloaded the iOS 12 emojis, you have to click on install. This one, you have to click on install iOS 12 Zen font. You tap it, then you have to confirm, install. You wait for the moment as it installs. You can see it is installing. It is installing. Then that will be all about installing the iOS 12 Zen font. This one now, since it has installed, when you go back to your keyboard, for example, you go back to your keyboard and tap for the emojis, you know that all the installed emojis that you have applied, they will be ready to be used. You can use the emojis on any conversation that you want, either on WhatsApp, either on the messages, either on Facebook. And that will be all about installing iOS or iPhone emojis on your Android phone. That is all about for the show today. If you are liking my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and share to your friends. Thank you for today. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Bye.